Okay, let's go over the work for second period. Second period, you were asked to solve 4 different inequalities. These are one-step inequalities and are pretty simple. You should always remember to just treat an inequality like an equal sign while you're solving it. So, the first one says -7 plus x is less than or equal to 14. This symbol means less than or equal to. So we rewrite the equation. -7 plus x is less than or equal to 14. We remember we have to undo what's being done to the x. We have a -7 here, so we're going to add 7 to both sides of the equation. That is going to cancel on the left. We're going to add 14 plus 7 on the right and get 21 and bring down our x. So now this says x is less than or equal to 21. And what that means is if you were going to graph this, all of your graph is going to be less than or equal to 21 on the x-axis. Next, we have solved the inequality 15 is greater than -3 plus x. Notice that this sign does not have the equal sign underneath it. 15 is greater than -3 plus x. We've rewritten the equation. We look and see what's happening to the x. It has a -3, so we must add 3 to both sides of the equation. We add 3, they cancel on the right. On the left, 15 plus 3 is 18. Bring down our greater than sign and bring down our x. So this means that 18 is greater than x, and it does not include x. So all of the answers that are possible on our graph have to be bigger than 18. I misspoke. All of our answers have to be less than 18 if we're reading it this way. All of our answers x have to be less than 18. I apologize for that mistake. This means that 18 is the greatest part of our graph. Next, we have solved the inequality 17 is greater than or equal to x minus 7. Remember, when it has this equal sign underneath it, this means greater than or equal to. We rewrite the equation. We see that a -7 is with our x, so that means we need to put a +7 to undo that. The 7's cancel. We bring down our x and we add 7 on the left. 17 plus 7 is 24. I had a typo. This should be 24. I'm going to fix that. And tell you this is wrong. This is incorrect. 24 is the number. Sorry about that. Sometimes we make mistakes. The next inequality is 5 is less than x minus 9. We rewrite the inequality as 5 is less than x minus 9. We see that -9 is with the x, so we need to add 9 to both sides of the equation. It cancels on the right. We bring down our x, and we have 5 plus 9 is 14. So that means all of our answers x have to be greater than, but not equal to 14. And that will make more sense as we move along and you start seeing some graphs of these inequalities. But for now, this is how you solve these one-step inequalities using math.